Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to react to stories in Telegram on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. Open the story you want to react to. It could be a photo, video, or text story. Step 3. Click on the heart icon located at the bottom of the screen to react to the story. This will show your appreciation or liking for the story. Step 4. If you want to react with another emoji, right? Click on the heart icon. A menu will appear, allowing you to select the emoji you want. You can also click on the drop-down icon to expand the emoji list and choose from a variety of reactions. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to react to stories in Telegram on your PC. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy reacting.